Assalamualaikum students. I am your teacher Ikra Sajid. We are talking about class 5 subject social study. Today we will learn lesson number 10, census in South Asia. An official process of counting the population of a country and finding out certain information about people is called census. It is very important process as it tells the social, physiological and other factors about any country. Dear students, do you know 7 South Asian countries including Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Maldives, Nepal, Sri Lanka and Pakistan have set up an organization in 1985 by the name of SAARC. You know, SAARC means South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. Now dear students, let's start our exercise. Answer the following questions. Number 1. What is census and how often is it conducted in Pakistan? Answer. An official process of counting the population of a country and finding out certain information about people is called census. In Pakistan, census is conducted after every 10 years. Number 2. What is the total population of Pakistan according to the last census and according to the latest estimates? Answer. According to the census of 1998, the total population of Pakistan is about 135 million, which is according to an estimate has increased by now to over 160 million. Number 3. Which office in Pakistan keeps the records of births and deaths? Answer. In Pakistan, the Union Council, the Municipal Committee or the Corporation keeps the record of births and deaths taking place in its area. Number 4. Write the numbers of South Asian countries. Answer. Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan and Sri Lanka. Number 5. What does density of population mean? Answer. The density of population means the number of people for given unit area. Number 6. How much world's population is made up by SAARC countries? Answer. World's population is made up by SAARC countries is 1788.38 million.
प्यारे बच्चों, अगर आपने अभी तक NKSTV को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो इसे जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस कर दें ताकि आपको आने वाले आपके न्यू लेसन्स की वीडियोस मिल सकें.
Now dear students, come to the blanks. Fill in the blanks and you can see on your screen the filling words are in red color. Number 1. An official process of counting the population of a country is called census. Number 2. In Pakistan, census is conducted every 10 years. Number 3. According 1998 census, the total population of Pakistan is 135 million. Number 4. According to census, the population of Pakistan is increasing rapidly. Number 5. South Asian countries set up an organization called SAARC. Dear students, this question is about correct and false statement. Tick the correct and cross the false statement. Number 1. The census form may be filled in by any member of the family. This is false. Number 2. In Pakistan, most of people live in cities. This is correct. Number 3. In Pakistan, census is conducted after every 5 years. This is false. Number 4. South Asian countries have higher population figure than most of other countries in the world. This is correct. Number 5. SAARC was set up in 1985. This is correct. Now dear students, come to the multiple choice. There are 4 options of each question, but we have ticked the correct one. Number 1. In Pakistan, as many as -% of the population live in villages. The options are A. 35%, B. 35%, C. 55% and D. 65%. The correct option is 35%. Number 2. Aged persons of 64 years or above are -% of the total population. A. 3.4%, B. 33.4%, C. 43.4%, D. 53.4%. The correct option is 3.4%. Number 3. In Pakistan, they keep the records of births and deaths. A. The Union Council, B. The Municipal Committee, C. The Corporation, D. all the above. The correct option is all the above. Number 4. According to an estimate, the population of Pakistan has by now increased to dash millions. A. 100 millions, B. 160 millions, C. 200 millions, and D. 250 millions. The correct option is 160 millions. Number 5. The combined population of SAARC countries makes up dash percent of world's population. A. 11%, B. 22%, C. 33%, D. 44%. The correct option is 22%. Now dear students, it is activity time. You can see on your book there are flags of SAARC countries. So write the name of each flag of SAARC countries: Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Maldives, Sri Lanka, Pakistan and Nepal. Dear students, I hope you enjoy your lesson. So share this video to your friends, subscribe the NKSTV and press the bell icon button for upcoming lesson videos. Take care of yourself. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.